Hello there, fine friends. If you're from across the world, Joey Jones is back at the hotel. Well, first of all, let me congratulate all the ones that passed the CDL license. They already got the CDL. They already with a mentor. They're already driving. And for whoever company you're driving for, well, this video, let me. I want to share something with you. First of all, and this video, I mean, it goes for those. Well, how can I say this? All right. Let me tell you something. This is how I'm going to put it. You drove for so many miles, you drove for so many weeks, you drove for so many months, and then you're a trainer or you're a trainee, and you're still with a contract with CR England. Okay, now, some of you would like to know how can you get out, or some of you would like to know how can you buy them out. Pay for your contract. Well, first of all, there's companies out there that will pay for that, or they will just get you out of there. Like, say for an example, Swift is one of the companies that if you're trying to get out of CR England, they're the ones who can get you out. And all you need is at least 3 months experience with Swift. That's easy, and all you have to do is just follow up and just in fact, you can call any recruiter and they can help you get out. It's that easy and that simple. I did it. I did it. I don't really talk about what I done, but I mean, I'm giving you the heads up, and I'm just looking out for you. Okay, so Swift is one of them. Swift is a good company, actually. They've been out for many years. They are our great company. Good benefits and stuff. You're gonna be making more than $400 a week. Again, this is for those who looking to get out of the contract, and then you're not gonna get out the contract, but you're gonna have to pay it back, and you are gonna pay it back. So you can always contact your CR England. I think it's the funds department, or you'll figure it out. But you can contact them and then have them mail you the bill. And what they're gonna do is they're gonna deduct it from your bank account. So they're gonna ask you for your routing and your checking, and then every month they will take it from there. Okay, and that's how you're gonna pay. You tell them you're only gonna pay $200. They're gonna take out $200, and it'll be off your checking or savings, however you want to do it. But yeah, Swift, that's all you need is 3 months experience, and they will help you get out of there. Knights, there's another company too, Knights Transportation. They can get you, they can help you to get out in 3 months. All you need, again, is 3 months experience of driving. And Schaefer Trucking, Creek Carrier, that's all you need. You need 3 months experience to get in with them. If you think you need more training, they will put you with a mentor for I think it's a month or 2 months if you need more training. But yeah, them companies like that, they will put you on. They will hire you actually. And if you have 6 months experience, there's other companies too. But how can you find out who will hire you? Well, simple. All you gotta do is just go to Google, and then you Google say CDL Class A driver's license, and then you type down 6 to 3 months experience, and then jobs in your area, and then it'll give you a whole bunch of lists. And then, like, normally when I do it over here in Pennsylvania, Indeed pops up, and then a lot of them come out, like Home Daily or Dedicated Routes, and then the experience come, and then you read through to get into the qualifications to get in, and then it'll say 3 months, 6 months. See, stuff like that. That's what you need. That's what you're looking for. And then once you do that, then you just have to pay them back. Again, just pay them back, and that's it. That's pretty much it. So yeah, so it'll be better for you. And that's the only way that you can get out of there fast. But if not, if you want to stay and complete the 9 months and $400 to $500, I mean, the first couple months you're not gonna make anything, man. You're not gonna make nothing. And a lot of people do it because they don't have again, they don't have the $5,000 or whatever the license costs in your state. But again, too, another thing is that I want to let you know is that that say if you go to Swift Academy, you will be there for 4 weeks. Okay, so once you complete the 4 weeks of training and everything, then you will be on a road for 2 months. Then you'll be on the road for 2 months, and after the 2 months, you get your own truck. So it's not like CR England, you get the phases 1, phase 2, phase 3. No, once you do the 4 weeks, you're on the road for 2 months, you already got your own truck. That's what, if you're coming in as a new student, okay? And that's, I mean, I know because I've been there. I went to their school, but I already went as an experienced driver, so they pretty much had me as an experienced driver, and I just had to do orientation and stuff. But yeah, I want you to look into that, okay, guys? So again, this is for those who trying to get out or find themselves like in debt because they're not making enough, or they just want to go ahead and make some more money. You know, just look into that, okay? You know, just look into that. And all right, so best luck to you, and God bless you all. I love you all. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. Don't forget to fly safe, be safe, drive safe. I'll see you in my next video. Right now, they're snowing, but I'm not going out there, so I'll see you. God bless. Later.